XRP is skyrocketing. So is the entire cryptocurrency market, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are here to break things down for you guys, as we are every single day. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're going to dive into it. A lot to get into. We are seeing inflows in the ETFs picking up massively. A ton of interest with ETFs coming, with basket ETFs, XRP feeling that, that's for sure. But these massive inflows into US spot ETFs, Bitcoin ETFs brought in over 218 million today already. Ethereum saw around 211 million. Pretty crazy, right? ETH is picking up. These are marking some of the highest single day inflows that we have seen in months. And we also have corporate treasury adoption. That is a big piece to the puzzle. And I think XRP is going to get this as well. But public companies like GameStop, Trump Media, and many others have recently begun adding BTC or ETH to their treasuries, further boosting demand. And Bitcoin and Ethereum driving XRP, driving Solana, all the other altcoins up right now. We're going to jump right into it. And let's take a look at this XRP chart for starters, guys. And I am going to show you what's happening right now on the hourly right now with XRP to start here, guys. And please drop your comments down below as we roll along in the video. Anything you want to share with us, let us know. My, oh my, look at this. XRP is absolutely scorching. And I mentioned it yesterday when we broke the 236 resistance range. That was the key. All right, so from our momentum up here on our signals, take a look at this. We're up 6.5% right now on XRP just in the last 1 day and 21 hours. Now, if you are an XT Algo member, you're taking full advantage of this. This is the best trading software you guys can get your hands on for the price. It's my software. This basically told you to buy XRP at 231. Look at this. You're up to 246, 247. You could get this at a premium discount right now. Links down below, guys. This is flashing buy signals on all the major altcoins right now, and it does it before they pop, before they pump. It's taking in a bunch of metrics, making it easy, though, for you guys to understand by setting you up with alerts. I walk you through how to use all of this. You've got to check it out. There's a link down below to XT Algo right now. Get started. But let's jump into the overall market, guys. Bitcoin is flying. $112,000+. New all-time highs. They're happening right now. ETH is at 2,800. XRP at 246, Solana at 157, Doge at 18 cents. Let's take a look at some of the biggest gainers right now. Pudgy Penguin's up 33%. WIF and XDC 13-12%. Bonk is scorching. Sui, one of my favorites, up 10+%. Pepe's coming up, climbing, almost 10% up. Huge, huge news happening right now. But the question is, why else is the market pumping? Are there some other factors here? What else is going on? Well, let's talk about that a little bit. We've got some macro tailwinds that are helping us tremendously right now. We've got a weak US dollar. That is turning on the risk button right now for crypto and the stock market, especially tech stocks. We're seeing treasury companies pump like crazy right now. And there's a bunch of high hopes for federal interest rate cuts. So here's what we know. A soft dollar, or DXY, and signals that the Federal Reserve may pivot to cutting rates later this year, probably twice. This is all supporting risk-on assets like crypto. And just from a general risk-on sentiment, broader market optimism, it obviously has a trickle-down effect. We've seen the stock market pumping for a while now. Now it's trickling into crypto. And especially the big boom in tech stocks like NVIDIA. This is always, always, always positively correlated with other risky plays, quote unquote, risky plays like Bitcoin. But Bitcoin finally broke through the 110K barrier. We've been range bound for a while, 100,000 to 110,000. We broke through it. And now we are reaching new all-time highs. Anytime we break ceilings like that, the entire market's going to pump. We've also got leveraged unwinds. Long, short liquidations, particularly in Ethereum, has amplified the move into altcoins. And there's a lot of enthusiasm around the altcoin sector right now. as Ethereum's jumping up, Dogecoin, XRP, Solana. Lot of chatter about tokenization and treasury plays. Ethereum in particular is benefiting greatly from the growing narrative of institutional asset tokenization and corporate treasury strategies. We've had it with Bitcoin. Now we're going to start to see it with XRP, Ethereum, Solana. We're seeing continued ETF inflows, a softening Fed, and technical breakouts. This is all pushing Bitcoin and crypto higher, possibly toward 120,000 if momentum holds. Okay. Now, the bear case, what could happen to derail us? There could be some profit taking here at fresh new highs. We always have the macro volatility with tariffs, Fed policy, etc., and a stronger dollar could trigger a pullback. But in summary, the rally we're seeing right now of record high Bitcoin, institutional ETF inflows, macroeconomic support, technical breakouts, and corporate treasury adoption is all funneling into this surge right now in the cryptocurrency market. Now, if you're looking to come trade with me, come on over. This is my back end over at BITUNIX. We've got a ton of people signed up, 63 people already trading over here with us at BITUNIX. So come on over, check us out over here. You can start trading the top assets. And we've got everything. You'll see the crypto.com exchange link down below. You'll see BTCC. They're offering way less fees. BITUNIX. We've got everything for you guys. Link down below. So make sure you guys check it out. I really appreciate you all for stopping by. And XRP continues to absolutely fly right now at 247. We're going to be watching this extremely closely throughout the remainder of today. Again, take advantage of these gains right now. Get XT Algo, the trading software. Try it risk-free for 30 days, guys. Risk-free. Full refund at the end of 30 days if you don't like the product or you can't afford it, whatever. It's very affordable, though. It's $1 a day to get started. And I appreciate you all for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.